Here's your opportunity to own a renovated, turnkey, beach block seashore getaway first floor unit. The red arrow indicates the location of unit in the building. This is a perfect opportunity to own in a well-maintained condo building with a well-run active condo association. The Atrium Condo Building's upgrades include siding, roof, decks, stairs, and vinyl rails. This 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit at the Atrium Condominium Building is conveniently located within steps to beach, restaurants, promenade, and shopping. Come view the desirable open floor plan layout of this furnished unit. The recent upgrades to this first floor unit are beautiful wood-cut tile flooring. In 2017, upgrades included custom kitchen cabinets with granite counter tops, underlighting and stainless steel appliances. Take a closer view of the upgraded kitchen and center island with additional seating. Living room area leads out to a maintenance-free deck with vinyl rails for your relaxation. Also check out the updated Anderson slider. Ample size bedroom with new queen bed and updated carpeting. Here is another view of the queen bedroom. All new windows throughout in 2016. Totally updated half bathroom in 2017 with white cabinets, granite countertop and updated toilet and electrical fixtures. Bedroom number 2 with new queen bed and spacious accommodations. Check out the renovated bathroom from flooring to cabinets with exquisite granite and tile. Beautiful tub with surround tile and wainscoting. The third bedroom has sleeping for 3 with a trundle bed and single bed ready for you. Laundry closet with full-size washer and dryer. The building has 2 large storage area at ground level and each unit has a personal bin which is a convenient for storing bikes and beach equipment. Here is one individual storage bin. The complex has 4 enclosed hot and cold outside showers. No need to worry about parking for his unit comes with an assigned parking area that has room for 2 cars. Looking for an investment? This unit and building has an excellent established rental history. Come view today.